Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. It's coming to the end of our winter and we're getting some absolutely beautiful weather, I'm happy to say. So I wanted to do something bright and uplifting. So what's easier and something that everybody can do is the acrylic fluid art dip. And it's on wax paper. It's called waterproof paper. I get it in a roll, and it's in our local Kmart craft area. It is actually called craft paper by them, but when you look on it, it said one side's like waterproof. So I'm going to do that lovely oval canvas, which I haven't worked with for a while, and I'm going to create something really to make me feel good today. Remember, this is all about your art, your rules, your way, making you feel good. Don't listen to anybody's negativity, especially about your art. If it makes you feel good, gives you joy, go with it. So this is what I'm doing with these lovely colours. As you see, I put the purple down and gold. And I think when I was doing this, I was using up some leftover colours that I had there. But I did want to just bring it all together and really make this a nice piece. So I just so enjoy doing these dips because they are easy. You don't have to think too much about it. As long as you've got the consistency of your paint correct, you'll usually get fabulous results. The only thing you've got to be mindful of is that if it is too runny, the colours will just like go muddy. So, and not too thin when it's the dip. You can do it quite thickly, you paint. So let's get on with this and see how this develops. So as you see, I layered some yummy colours on there. I think I've got blooming everything on there bar red. I didn't put red in there. I put the pink, I put teal, gold, purple, white. Oh my goodness, it's all there. So wonder what we're going to get in this. What is it? Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So that's the kind of thing with my dips. You just don't know, but hopefully it's something gorgeous. And I just really love those oval canvases. I just think they're just gorgeous. I don't know why I like them so much, but I do. And you don't often find them. So that one I think I got was, it is a Montmartre canvas. I can see the name on the back of the canvas. There you go, I'm telling you, don't forget to slide. It was giving it that little twist. It sort of, and then to pull it straight up. It always gives you a different, oh, wow, wow, wow. Look at that teal and the purple. Yeah, pulling it, doing the twist and pulling it up gives you a different outcome than if you don't do that. Wow, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. So yes, I'm going to do my signature balloon kiss. Just a few. Remember, if it's your art and you're doing it, you do not have to do this. But it's definitely my signature move, a balloon kiss. So you just go with what you feel. But oh my goodness, I'm looking back on this now and just realising how absolutely stunning those colours are. Just love them together. Really, really nice. Now remember, because that paint is left on your waterproof paper, you can, let that dry and cut it out and use it to stick on another piece of board or art, whatever, or cut up for jewellery. But I think today that I will be using that paint to do another dip, because there's a fair bit on there, isn't there? So there you go. I've got these two. They're like a ceramic, what do you call them? Cup holder. I can't think what you call them. Oh, anyway. So I'm just dropping them in and seeing what they turn out like. And the one mistake, look, I've gone and made the back of them dirty, but I can wipe that off. But it would have been nicer if I hadn't have messed up the back. So, oh, there you go. That's beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Do you think, I cannot for the life of me think what they call those things that you put your cup on? Oh, gosh. I'm a brainless today. Oh, look at that one. That is really gorgeous. So, those are those pieces. Love them. Gonna let them dry. And well, there you go. There it is. Just giving you a view. This is an app I use called Picture Wall app, and I've got a link below in the description, as I will have for all materials that I use and videos for beginners. So I hope you liked that. It lifted my spirits and I'm really, really happy with that. So my lovelies, please take care. Have a go at it. It's just so therapeutic. And remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Or if that isn't available to you, a helpline. Now wait on, I've got a little extra bonus video.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes, in your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing, you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that